folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured for you guys the J.A. Roby Cuisiniere Cookstove. I am out on the lake in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cookstoves to shoot a commercial and do some videos for you guys. So I am super excited to be here. I don't know if you can tell, but I freaking love what I do. It doesn't even feel like work. I've been out here like manifesting my dream, filming my cook stoves on this gorgeous lake, and it's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them for you. Here we go. Today I'm going to give you my 5 favorite reasons why I love the Cuisiniere cook stove, and here we go. Number 1, it is one of the largest cook stoves that we sell on the market. We do have a couple other models that would be up there in size, but this is going to be the largest EPA approved cook stove available in North America. So you can see it's a big daddy here. It is sitting up on a pallet, so it's taller than me right now, but when it's on the floor, it's, you know, about my height. So big daddy cook stove. It has a nice huge baking oven in it. So if you guys love to bake, the Cuisiniere is awesome. So number 2 is going to be the baking in the Cuisiniere, because you have this nice large oven. You can easily fit a big turkey pan in here, plus like a cookie sheet with some other stuff. Now, please note that the Cuisiniere only comes standard with one oven rack, but you can easily cook multiple stuff, so you can purchase that additional oven rack if you like to bake more than one thing at a time. So my number 3 reason is going to be the firebox. J.A. Roby does an excellent job with their fireboxes. Like, their air control gets extremely tight. You can really damper these stoves down very, very low. And even with the low damper, you have an excellent air wash and the glass is always clean. Like, I have burnt so many different J.A. Roby models, and every time in the morning, my glass is never, ever, ever dirty. So number 3 reason is going to be the firebox in the cleaning. My number 4 reason is going to be the heat output on the model itself. You really can crank out the heat and you get really long burn times along with that. So it's about 90 to 100,000 BTUs. That could easily heat 3,000, maybe 3,500 square feet. So if you need a big space heater that also looks really nice, J.A. Roby really nails it. There are definitely other, especially Amish products, you know, that might be large, but a lot of people really like the J.A. Roby because of that extra attention detail. You know, the cute little doilies with the chrome detailing. It really looks nice. Now, my number 5 reason is going to be the warranty and the company itself. So J.A. Roby is one of the few cook stoves that actually offers a limited lifetime warranty. If you look into it, a lot of cook stoves actually only give you a 1-year warranty, and maybe the best warranty after that is 5 years. So having a company that gives you a limited lifetime warranty really says something about the product. And I will honestly say that the company themselves are one of the best companies I've ever dealt with. I've very seldom had anything where I felt like they didn't handle it properly. So maybe if ever. So I really love that. You know, a company is only as good as the people running it, and the company is only as good as if they're willing to stand behind the product that they're producing. And J.A. Roby produces an excellent product and they stand behind it. They're an excellent company. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today and my 5 reasons why I love the Cuisiniere Cook Stove by J.A. Roby. If you guys like these videos, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.